open the car's fuse box and locate a grounding GND point. Connect the black negative wire GND and make sure it's securely tightened. Locate the B+ wire, yellow, on the hardwire kit. Remove the fuse from the corresponding fuse slot and insert it into the B+ fuse tap connector. Insert the B+ fuse tap back into the same fuse slot. Check the display screen to see if it shows the voltage reading. If no voltage is displayed, try a different fuse slot. Locate the ACC wire red. Remove the fuse from the corresponding fuse slot and insert it into the ACC fuse tap connector. Insert the ACC fuse tap back into the same fuse slot. Start the car and check if the display shows ACC. If ACC is not displayed, try another fuse slot. Once everything is working properly, hide and secure the hardwire kit neatly. Top of the car plastic cover is flexible enough to lift for the cable to be inserted for a clean and discreet look. Hide the cable down the A-pillar to the front of the driver's seat footrest. Hide the extra hardwire kit in the fuse box. Connect the rear camera power cable to the recorder host and hide it in the same way as the hardwire kit cable. After hiding in the A-pillar, the cable is hidden along the top gap to the B-pillar. Then, go to the C-pillar in the same way. After hiding in the C-pillar, the top extends to the rear windshield. Install the rear camera. Finally, connect the power cable.